Meaning of Dreamtime.
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 Dreamtime. The term Dreamtime, also known as the dreaming, refers to the spiritual beliefs and customs of the indigenous people of Australia, who believe that all things in the physical world are a result of actions taken during creation by their ancestors. The Dreamtime is considered to be a sacred period in which the world was created, and it is believed that the spirits of ancestors guide and protect the living. It forms an important part of Indigenous Australian culture, providing a spiritual connection to the land and the environment.